Hi guys, this is Mr. Long coming to you from the heart of Nifley. I just want to first of all say that I miss you guys. It seems weird not being able to see you guys every morning, but I'm glad that we're able to stay in and stay well. I pray that's what's going on, that you're handling this transition in our lives the best that you can. Just first of all, I want to say if you need anything, please reach out to Zink, Miss Gribbins, or myself, and we'll be glad to help you any way that we can. Okay, so I sent you home with a packet last week for class, and the first sheet dealt with finding monthly interest and monthly payments for buying like a vehicle and a house. I want to skip that packet. I don't like the way that's worded, so I just want to do away with that, and we're just going to focus on filling out these charts for budgets. Okay, it's important for us to learn how to budget our money. Something I'm still trying to learn to do in my life. It's an ongoing process. So let's go ahead and get started with the first set of budget papers. It's Unit 7. Budget Busters Part 2. And it begins with the one that says Joe's budget. So it tells us that his tax rate is 24%. And that's important because we will need to know that in just a few minutes. So let's begin filling out the table that deals with his budget. First of all, it says that his gross annual salary is $40,000. And they want us to determine the total annual tax. So to do that, I take the $40,000 and I'm going to multiply it times 24% or 0.24. So in your calculator, say 40,000 times 0.24. And you should get $9,600. Now they want to know what is his net annual salary. And to find the net annual salary, I'm going to subtract $9,600 from $40,000. And when we do that, we get $30,400. So Joe's actual pay that he brings home is $30,400 a year. Now they want us to determine his monthly salary. And to determine the monthly salary, we're going to divide the $30,400 by 12 because there's 12 months in a year. And so when we do that, we find out that Joe brings home $2,533.33. Okay? Now, they want us to determine what is the percent of the monthly salary that he has budgeted for each of these items over here. So to figure out the percent of the monthly salary, I'm going to take the expense and I'm going to divide it by the monthly salary. So I'm going to take $775 and divide it by $2,533.33. And when I do that, I get 0.306, which is 30.6%. So let's do transportation together. $300 a month he spends on transportation, gas, maybe wear and tear on his vehicle. And I'm going to divide that by his monthly salary, $2,533.33. And that equals 0.1187, which is 11.87%. Good. Now, I want you to pause the video and I want you to determine the percent of the monthly salary for health insurance, cell phone, utilities, loans, and savings. Okay? So pause the video, do that, and then come back. Okay, so let's check your work. For health insurance, if I divide $200 by 2,533.33, you should have got 7.9%. For cell phone, 5.9%. For utilities, 9.9%. For loans, 9.9% as well. And for savings, 7.9%. Now, let's finish this chart. It says the total monthly expenses. So to do that, I'm just going to add all of these together. And when we do that, it equals $2,125, which is 83.9% of the budget. So how much available funds does he have left? Because he didn't spend all $2,533. So if I subtract $2,125 from $2,533.33, I find that my available funds left is $408.33, which is good because he has money left in his pocket. And that means there was 16.1% of the budget that he did not use. So let's go to question 1. It says, Joe always wants to put at least 20% of his monthly paycheck in savings. Did he meet this goal? Well, let's see here. If we go over here to savings, let's see if I can get a different color pen up here. Nope. Here we go. Okay, so if we look here at monthly savings, he put in $200, which was 7.9% of his monthly paycheck. Was that at least 20%? And the answer is no. Okay, so let's look at question 2. It says, how well did Joe stay on his budget for? And they want us to go through, first of all, and we've got to determine the percent of his budget that he actually spent on housing, transportation, health insurance, because sometimes what we budget is not what we use. So for example, let's look at housing. If I take the $900 and divide it by his paycheck, $2,533.33, that is going to equal 35.5%. Okay, so did he stay on budget? Well, if I look back at the chart that we just completed, he had budgeted only $775, and the percentage was 30.6%. So the answer would be no. He was $125 over budget. Okay, so now, using that same method, I want you to figure out, did he do the same for transportation? How well did he do on health insurance, cell phone, utilities, loans, and savings? And then tell what was his total monthly expenses and the available funds that he had actually left over when he spent his money. Then the next budget that we see is James. And I want you to fill in this chart, and let's see how you do. Notice this time they give you the percent of the monthly salary, and you've got to determine how much that actually would be. Now, we want to fill in the expenses for each category, but for the loans, right here, for loans, notice you've got to find the percent first before you can find the expense. Okay, and see if you can figure that out. I know you guys can do this. Once you complete this assignment, if you can, scan a picture of it and send it to me either through Remind Me or Google Classroom so I can grade it. Okay, now I'll be posting another video for the next set of worksheets that we'll be doing either tonight or tomorrow, Monday morning. Okay, so guys, have a great night. Talk to you soon.